Hello, my name is Mark Hallam, I'm Director of George Lister Engineering Limited. I'm going to take you on a short tour regarding a limited edition Stirling Moss Lister Jaguar. This is the first of the new Stirling Moss lightweight limited edition chassis. This chassis differs from a standard chassis as it's got a lightweight tube. The tube itself is machined internally to reduce the weight of the tube. The structure of the lightweight chassis is no different from a standard Lister. We've reduced the wall thickness from 14 gauge to 16 gauge with no effect on the overall strength or safety of the chassis. However, we have reduced the weight by 5 to 10%. So here we have a bare chassis, just come back from the paint shop. From there, our engineers will then turn it into a rolling chassis by adding the wishbones, suspension components, steering components, and then we move on to further assembly. This is where we have the difference with the Stirling Moss cars. For example, we have two examples of a bell housing, one in the traditional aluminium and one in a lightweight magnesium, which gives you a substantial weight saving. Here we have a traditional Lister knobbly. The Stirling Moss car is ever so slightly different on the bodywork, which is fitted with low lift arches. The low lift arches are to prevent the car lifting at speed. This was developed back in the 50s when the guys went racing. They found that get to a certain speed, the car would start to lift, hence why the low lift arches were fitted.